If we confront like this, what will be the future of this country? Mr. Prime Minister, Mr. Busy Prime Minister, Mr. Mon Ki Baat Prime Minister, what you want? What you want to finish me? Can you do it? Never and ever. Until and unless people give me the support, you cannot. Even I will appeal all the state government, all the opposition state government, and all the senior leaders of this country, and all the NGOs, all the intellectuals, all the political persons, all the IS and IPS, please be together. And state service officer also, please be together and fight the battle. It is not only the battle of Alapan Bandyopadhyay. This battle is for all the bureaucracy, all the bureaucrats. Bureaucrats are afraid now. They cannot even ask them a question. Only two syndicate members, these two, whatever they can decide, that is the law. It never said. Even if somebody go to the court will not give support also. So far my knowledge is concerned, I am also as a lawyer speaking. I am also as a lawyer. And I am the High Court, Kolkata High Court, the live member of Bar Council also. So as a just common lawyer or just as a commoner, what we can guess? Nobody can give this type of order. It is very unfortunate, unconstitutional, undermining the subvertive and all this. I cannot accept all this. Even nobody can accept all this. So, but we need the service of Alapan Bandyopadhyay very badly. He retired, but I didn't allow him to leave Nabarno, to leave our secretariat. So, the new chief secretary, after his superannuation, Mr. Dwivedi, the home secretary, became the chief secretary, and home secretary, Mr. Gopalika, became the home secretary, and Alapan Bandyopadhyay, like him, a bright officer, I will not allow him to leave us finally. Chief secretary is okay. Today is the retirement day. It is his desire. He can take a decision. And I think he has the guts. He has the boldness. He has the honesty. He has the sincerity. And his name will be forever for the history of India, that how a bureaucrat is been victimized after his long services. And I allowed him to be chief advisor of chief minister. He will start his work from today itself. Tomorrow, because today is his retirement day, so I have already ordered. Charity begins at home. I want to give support to my bureaucrats and bureaucracy of this country and all of my government employees. And for that reason, a brave officer, a bold officer, a honest officer cannot be victims like this. And he didn't ask the extension. It is we ask for the greater interest of the people, for the greater interest of the Bengal. What is his fault? I don't understand. What is the reason? Only political, except the political vendetta? What is the reason? And that's why we have decided, I have decided, we want his service for pandemic. COVID pandemic, how he worked, everybody knows that now we are safe. We are doing better. Because to work for COVID pandemic and to work for cyclone affected areas, he must give his service to me, his service to Bengal, his service to country, his service to poor people, his service to minorities, his service to SC/STs, his service to OBCs, his service to poor people, his service to weaker section, his service to COVID affected people, his service to cyclone affected people. That's why I ordered he will join with me as a chief advisor of chief minister. And additional also there is a charge, ATI also he will take care. So from tomorrow, he will start his work.